Next in the revision video today is self-help groups, that is SHGs. What are these self-help groups? These self-help groups are a group of 15 to 25 people, especially in the rural segment, that constitute a group and they help each other by contributing money, by lending money, and this system proves very important to meet the present demand, the uncertain demand in the rural sector in the terms of small credit. So, what is self-help groups? What are the features of self-help groups? Self-help groups is basically formed by 15 to 25 people. Okay, they are known to each other mostly because they are from the same society or same village or same neighborhood. So we can come to understand that in self-help groups the money is only given to the known people. The money is not given to the people who are not known. The money is only given to people who come from the same society, same neighborhood or same village. Okay, small contributions like 500 to 1000 rupees is made by each person every month these people contribute to 1000 or 500. Suppose they contribute 1000 rupees, so 25 people, 25,000 rupees comes every month, and this 25,000 rupees is given to the person in the group or the known person who needs it. Okay, loan is only given to the members of the group, only group members. Very small interest is charged or no interest is charged. So small interest is charged to help the group. A very small or nominal interest is charged because the people who are contributing this money, they are not very rich people, they are poor people. They just form a group to help each other. So these type of people, they help each other by forming small groups, by doing the transactions and by helping each other. So in this way self-help groups are very important for the people and for getting the money or credit in the rural sector or in the urban sector also, but especially it works in the rural sector. Now moving next is the role of banks. How do banks help people? So banks, they keep the safe money of people. They keep the money of the people safe from thieves and robbers. They act as a source of income to the people as they provide interest. They provide interest. They boost up economy by giving vehicle loans, home loans, provide jobs to the people. You have seen that banks give income to the people. When we keep the money in the bank pays us interest. The bank pays us interest on the money. So some people just keep the money in the bank to get interest, and this interest is their earning. This interest is their earning. They also banks boost up economy. They provide loans to the people, vehicle loans, home loans, all type of loans. When people get the loan, they get their things done. Suppose I take a vehicle loan, I purchase a car. I take a home loan, I purchase my home loan. I also take the loan for doing business. So banks help in the development of the economy. They also provide jobs. A lot of people work in the banks. The more the banks, the more the jobs. So they are also a lifeline for jobs. So there are a number of ways in which banks are helping. Trade. Every transaction is done through bank. You see a lot of traders having their account in bank. They transfer money from here to there. They transfer money to foreign countries. There is conversion of currency. There is the people invest money in the stock market with the help of banks. People spend money in the mutual funds and different type of funds and LICs with the help of bank. So bank, they are acting as a mediator also in the trading sector to develop the business and do the business. And last but not the least, they help in turning the transactions into legal. Whatever money we transfer to different people with the help of banks, that money becomes white. That money turns white. That money becomes legal. Why this money becomes legal? Because there is a record. That money goes from bank to bank. That money is not cash currency that is given to anybody. That money is transferred from an account of a person to the account of the different person. So there is a valid transaction. Whatever money comes in the bank, that money becomes white money because that money comes under the taxing system. That money comes under the surveillance. इन निगाहों में आ जाता है गवर्नमेंट के. तो जो चीज़ गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू पास होती है, जो चीज़ बैंक्स के थ्रू पास होती है, वो ऑलरेडी एक नंबर में हो जाती है, यानी कि लीगल हो जाती है. सो द बैंक्स आर हेल्पिंग एज अ रिसोर्स टू turn the transaction of the people into legal transactions. If we are giving cash to anybody, we do not have any record because it is not transferred from any account to the account of any person. If we are giving a cash to anybody, we don't normally take any slip or something. There is no such paper authentic where we can claim in the court or settle the matter. So neither we get any discount on cash from the government side because that transaction is not known to the government. But if we do the transaction through the banks, that transaction comes in the eye of the government and all the norms of the government, norms means the rules of the government, they are followed. So in this we can say the banks are the best source to convert our income into a legal income. So these are 5 points, very important points telling how banks help people, how banks are very, very helpful to the people in turning their transaction legal or making their transaction legal. Okay. So, what are the 5 points? I will once again mention protection from thieves and robbers, income in the form of interest provided, development and boost up economy in the form of loans given to the people, different types of loans, vehicle loans, home loans, job to the needy people. Lot of people work in the banks, so banks provide jobs to the needy people. Okay, we can see there are a lot of openings. That more the openings in the bank, the more the people get job, and day by day more and more banks are opening. Private sector bank, cooperative bank, nationalized bank. There are non-banking financial companies, finance companies, different types of things where people are working in the finance. Trading, stock market, mutual funds, LIC, NSC, there are different ways people invest money, and so banks help in trading. And last but not the least, they are authorized by the government. They are authorized by the government. They are licensed by the government. So whatever transaction is done through the bank, that transaction is legal. That transaction turns white. This is bye for now. In the next revision video, I'll be sharing with you the important parts of credit.